Hey everyone, in this video I will guide you how you can install Google Play Store on your smart TV, on your Samsung TV, LG or any smart TV. So I will guide you step by step, so you just have to follow all these steps. Here you can see. Just first of all, access your smart TV's setting menu. Then enable unknown sources for app installation. This can usually be found in the security and restrictions section of your TV's setting menu. Then the third one is download the Google Play Store APK file from a trusted source. You can find this by doing a quick search online for Google Play Store APK for Smart TV. Transfer the APK file to your Smart TV using a USB drive or other file transfer method. Then install the Google Play Store APK file on your Smart TV by opening the file and following the on-screen instructions. And the very last step, sign into your Google account and set up the Play Store by following the prompts on your TV screen. So these are the steps that you have to follow in order to install Google Play Store on your Samsung TV or any smart TV. Thank you for watching.